Playing beach tennis requires a racket that can handle sand, wind, and fast-paced rallies while still giving you great control and power. Modern beach tennis rackets are built with advanced materials like carbon fiber, EVA foam cores, and aerodynamic hole patterns to improve stability, comfort, and shot precision. We're counting down the best 5 beach tennis rackets that deliver the perfect balance of power, control, and durability for players at every level. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Insum BT09 Beach Tennis Racket. Crafted for players who want both performance and control on the sand, this beach tennis racket offers a refined balance between lightweight handling and durable construction. Its full carbon build immediately gives it a premium feel, ensuring both strength and responsiveness during gameplay. Whether you are training or playing competitively, it delivers a solid and consistent experience that helps improve overall performance on the court. The lightweight design plays a crucial role in enhancing maneuverability, allowing for quick reactions and effortless swings. This makes it easier to handle fast-paced rallies and maintain control during intense matches. The racket feels agile in hand, helping players generate speed without putting excessive strain on the arm. This balance between weight and stability makes it suitable for both beginners and more experienced players looking to refine their technique. Its carbon construction not only contributes to durability, but also improves shot precision. The material absorbs vibrations effectively, providing a smoother and more controlled hitting experience. This allows players to place shots more accurately while maintaining comfort during extended play sessions. The overall build quality ensures that it can withstand regular use in outdoor conditions without losing performance. Comfort is another important aspect, as the grip is designed to provide a secure and natural hold. This helps reduce slipping during play, even in humid or sandy environments. The ergonomic feel allows for better control and confidence, making it easier to execute different types of shots, from powerful smashes to delicate placements. Versatility makes it a great option for training as well as casual and competitive matches. It adapts well to different playing styles, giving users the freedom to develop their skills and experiment with techniques. The combination of lightweight handling, durable materials, and balanced performance makes it a reliable choice for beach tennis enthusiasts. Pros: lightweight design, carbon build, good control, durable frame. Cons: basic grip, limited power. Number 4. Insum BT06 Beach Tennis Racket. Built with performance-driven materials and a refined structure, this beach tennis racket offers a solid blend of control, durability, and precision for players who want to elevate their game. Its construction combines Kevlar, 12K carbon, and advanced surface finishing, giving it a premium feel that stands out both visually and in performance. The shiny 3D surface not only enhances its appearance, but also contributes to better ball interaction, allowing for more controlled and accurate shots during play. The round egg-shaped design places the sweet spot in a central position, making it easier to achieve consistent contact with the ball. This design is particularly beneficial for players who prioritize control and stability over raw power. Each shot feels more predictable, helping improve accuracy and confidence during rallies. The slightly hard structure further enhances precision, allowing for sharper placement and better response when executing controlled shots. Its lightweight yet balanced construction ensures smooth handling, especially for players who rely on quick reactions at the net. The light tip balance improves maneuverability, making interceptions and fast exchanges feel effortless. This feature is especially useful in competitive play, where quick reflexes and control can make a significant difference. Despite its agility, it maintains enough stability to handle stronger shots without losing control. Comfort is also well addressed through the non-slip grip handle, which provides a secure and steady hold even in sandy or humid conditions. The grip feels natural in hand, reducing the chances of slipping and allowing players to maintain control throughout extended sessions. The overall ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue, making it suitable for longer matches or training sessions. Durability is another key strength, with high-quality materials ensuring it can withstand regular outdoor use. The included cover bag adds convenience for storage and transport, helping protect the racket when not in use. Overall, it delivers a well-balanced experience focused on control, precision, and long-lasting performance, making it ideal for players who prefer a more technical playing style. Pros: strong materials, good control, light balance, durable build. Cons: less power, firm feel. Number 3. Camewin Shark Beach Tennis Racket. Bringing together eye-catching design and balanced performance, this beach tennis racket offers a smooth playing experience that suits beginners and casual players looking to improve their control and comfort on the sand. Its holographic 3K carbon surface gives it a distinctive look while also contributing to a responsive feel during play. The full carbon fiber frame enhances durability, ensuring that it remains reliable even with regular outdoor use. The core is built with super soft EVA material, which plays a key role in absorbing impact and delivering a more comfortable hitting experience. This softness reduces vibration, making each shot feel smoother and less stressful on the arm. It also helps generate a controlled rebound, allowing players to maintain accuracy without needing excessive force. This makes it particularly suitable for those who are still developing their technique and prefer a forgiving racket. With a medium-balanced design, it offers a well-rounded combination of control and power. Players can easily manage both defensive and offensive shots without feeling restricted to a single playing style. The weight range keeps it stable enough for solid hits, while still allowing quick movement and reaction during rallies. This balance makes it adaptable for different situations on the court, whether playing casually or in light competition. The textured surface treatment further improves ball grip, helping players add spin and maintain better control over shot direction. This is especially useful for refining placement and experimenting with different techniques. The handle is designed to provide a comfortable and secure grip, ensuring stability even during longer sessions in sandy or humid conditions. Overall, it delivers a combination of comfort, durability, and user-friendly performance, making it a great option for players who want a stylish yet functional racket to build their skills and enjoy the game. Pros: soft feel, balanced control, durable frame, stylish design. Cons: moderate power, beginner focus. Number 2. Gaivota GT310 Beach Tennis Racket. Engineered for players who demand a higher level of control and performance, this beach tennis racket delivers a refined balance between power, stability, and durability. Its professional-grade construction immediately stands out, making it a strong option for intermediate to advanced players who want a reliable and responsive tool on the court. The overall design feels solid and performance-focused, ensuring confidence during both training and competitive matches. The 12K carbon surface combined with a full carbon fiber frame provides excellent strength and long-term durability. This construction not only protects the racket from wear and impact, but also enhances shot precision. Each hit feels stable and controlled, allowing players to execute accurate placements with consistency. The addition of a textured surface with silica sand improves ball grip, making it easier to generate spin and control shot direction during rallies. Inside, the high-density EVA core plays a crucial role in performance. It offers a strong memory effect, allowing the racket to quickly return to its original shape after impact. This results in a more powerful rebound, helping players generate speed without sacrificing control. The balance between elasticity and firmness ensures that both offensive and defensive shots feel smooth and predictable. The racket's balance point is designed to support strong handling and stability, making it easier to manage fast exchanges and maintain control under pressure. Its weight is well distributed, providing enough mass for powerful shots while still allowing quick reactions at the net. This makes it particularly suitable for competitive play, where both speed and precision are essential. Comfort is also well considered, with a design that reduces unnecessary vibration and improves overall feel during extended sessions. The structure with multiple holes enhances aerodynamics, allowing smoother swings and better airflow. Combined with its durable build and included protective bag, it offers both performance and practicality for regular use. Overall, it stands out as a high-performance racket that combines strength, control, and power, making it an excellent choice for players looking to elevate their game with a dependable and well-engineered design. Pros: strong build, high control, good power, spin surface. Cons: firm feel. Number 1 and the winner is Hoowan Buckmie Beach Tennis Racket. Designed for serious competitors who demand precision and power in every shot, this beach tennis racket delivers a high-performance experience built on advanced materials and refined engineering. Its premium construction using 18K carbon fiber immediately sets it apart, offering a stronger and more responsive surface that enhances both durability and shot impact. The overall feel is professional and balanced, making it ideal for players who want to elevate their gameplay with confidence and control. The full carbon frame works seamlessly with the 18K carbon face to create a lightweight yet highly stable structure. This combination allows for faster swing speeds without sacrificing strength, giving players the ability to react quickly during intense rallies. Each strike feels solid and precise, helping maintain consistency even under pressure. The advanced build ensures long-lasting performance, making it suitable for frequent and competitive use. At the core, the soft EVA material provides excellent shock absorption and improved ball feel. This results in smoother contact and better control, allowing players to execute tactical shots with greater accuracy. The 20mm thickness strikes a good balance between responsiveness and comfort, ensuring that power is generated efficiently without losing touch sensitivity. It creates a playing experience that feels both controlled and dynamic. The Mega Grit textured surface significantly enhances spin potential, allowing players to add more rotation and variation to their shots. This is particularly useful for advanced techniques where control over ball movement is crucial. The convex hole system further improves aerodynamics, enabling quicker swings and more consistent shot delivery, especially during fast-paced exchanges. Its mid-balance design ensures versatility, supporting both offensive and defensive playstyles. Players can easily transition between powerful smashes and controlled placements without feeling restricted. The ergonomic grip adds to overall comfort, ensuring a secure hold even during long matches in demanding conditions. Overall, it stands out as a premium-level racket that combines cutting-edge materials, advanced spin technology, and balanced performance, making it an excellent choice for advanced players and competitive athletes. Pros: high power, strong build, spin control, balanced feel. Cons: premium price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.